Is your laptop feeling a little sluggish? Does multitasking make it break a sweat? Well, Corsair might have just the solution. They're stepping up the laptop memory game with their Vengeance SODIMM DDR5 RAM, and this kit packs a whopping 96 GB. Yes, you heard that right, 96 GB. This isn't your grandpa's RAM upgrade. We're talking about a serious injection of speed and capacity for your gaming or performance laptop. The kit comes with two 48 GB sticks, running at a speedy 5,600 MHz. The timings are CL48484890, which is pretty standard for DDR5 SODIMMs of this capacity. It operates at a cool 1.1 V, so you don't have to worry about excessive heat. Corsair is touting compatibility with a wide range of Intel laptops and small form-factor PCs, especially those rocking 13th or 14th Gen Mobile CPUs. Installation is supposedly a breeze, requiring nothing more than a screwdriver for most laptops. That's a definite plus for those who aren't comfortable tinkering with their machines. One of the coolest features is that the Vengeance SODIMM automatically sets to the maximum supported speed on compatible systems. No need to dive into the BIOS and mess with complicated settings. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Of course, for the more adventurous types, it also supports Intel XMP3 on high-frequency kits, allowing for even more fine-tuning and performance tweaking. But does it actually make a difference? In short, absolutely. The extra RAM capacity is a game-changer for anyone who juggles multiple applications, works with large files, or enjoys demanding games. Load times are noticeably faster, multitasking becomes smoother, and overall system responsiveness gets a significant boost. Corsair also emphasizes the rigorous testing and screening that each module undergoes. This is crucial for ensuring stability and reliability, especially when dealing with high-performance memory. And to back it all up, they offer a lifetime limited warranty, which provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. So, who is this memory kit for? If you're a gamer, content creator, or power user who demands the best performance from their laptop, the Corsair Vengeance 96 GB DDR5 SODIMM is definitely worth considering. It's a premium upgrade, but the performance gains and added capacity make it a worthwhile investment for those who need it. It's a powerful upgrade that can breathe new life into your existing laptop.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.